Aliane Ndemo Steven
Biamono omurikito Ndemo Steven asorobochirwa senchira yoboye kirano bon kerotogotika nayo goikasamangana yogonchirya kwelire kyombe kamanya kanitsebuna we don't have time munigo litukulia rokia robo semia gochia sabwatani igoro yogo chigonchirya kwelire egento bateberebuna kiracho kole tomo chandando murakera ase chinsem komera nagana borokiwa korwasa university ya Kisii na bwatani bande nigo robo semia kibwenta gokorwa goikiraniwa erikunyara gotango gonchirya kwelire anene asogo simeke metomuriketo Frida Kerubo norobochirwa senchira iyoboime
Ekiombe gia we don't have time ekyo gia chagete omwaka wechiri bubere na 15 ime ya Afrika nigo kegendete gosemia abantu igoro yogoncherera kwelire na kelia babwenete gokora bakoragwa no mu director ime ya Afrika Patrick Kiarie nigo batarete orogongo rwa Gusii iliokorwa obosemia gukwana ase university ya Kisii nigo abolire abantu gosimeka emete na boigo kolenda ebito etanaine.
Kikundi chetu tunachunga mazingira na tunasensitize wananchi angalau wakuwa wanachunga mazingira yao kwa njia moja au ile. Kikundi chetu ilianza 2016, tumeendelea tuko 2023 na tuko all over the world. So this time around tumekuja Kisii County angalau kuhamasisha wananchi through the county government. Tuko Kisii University ambapo tumepanda miti na tumeambia students at least waendeleze hii injili yetu.
Omwarigani bwekiombe kyo Gofrey Mokwa nigo agokeire omorobere yo ase abolire abantu korwa ebirengereri byabo eryogosirwa ne serikali boigo konyora obomanyi bwekerengo kigoro mono igoro yogontereria kwelire
twachagegese Kisii University gokora some sensitization program akaboro ki on how Waranyare koba involved as a platform to present ideas chiaba chinyare koba supported with relevant bodies and partners chiaba letogwata and I believe na togo teba se we don't have time. Together we are the solution to climate crisis.
Aboro kigwa be university ya Kisii nigo bagokeire omorobere yo asebaerera okubwaterana kwabo nebyombe binde elego esemia igoro yogonchereria kwelire
twanyarire kobatongo soma mange ntuguna bana Kisii University tumera nebyombe ebinge St John Kisii University Aviation Scout twanyarire kobatongo soma mange ase igoro ya climate
Chinga kecho oboigo nigo bairane limbia mono gochia ase ekyombekyo ase okorwa obosemia.
Generally, basically, fundamentally, we have to talk about environmental change containing the crisis in the environment and how can we focus to make sure the environment be sustainable to all of us, because we have planted a couple of trees and we see this can actually be part of the environmental change.
Boigo nigo baene kibuna amatuko abosio mbachigo chengera obosemi banyolire wetera ekyombekyo.
We can take this one and take back to the society. We don't have to keep quiet with it. We have many students who don't know about this one. We have many people around the society, let me call the society, the community around us, they don't know about the environment change. But when you get this thing that we got today and educate them, tell them if you do this, you can do this and this can make this work better, then I think that would be a good move for us to go, and in the next few years we can come back and celebrate what we have started.
Kolende nigo abamenyi borogongo rwa Gusii baboligwe kolenda ebito etanaine wetera gotumeka ebinto biratumekwe boya
alafu kebonge bube kwanye kaka sebani bete ndio tinare kwa tokorenda